So nice, we had to run it twice. Durham region's largest outdoor multicultural event returns. Sunday, July the 28th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. It's all about the Caribbean Summer Jam Part 2. Summer vibes in the East. Featuring a local shoppers market, live DJ and performances, youth activities and games, delicious food and drinks, plus much more to be announced. Special guest DJs include Blacks Done the Place and DJ Menace, with live performances from Sample King, the young legend Cairo McLean, and the Ghana Canadian Artist of the Year, Silla. Taking place at the Active Marketplace, 19 Notion Road in Ajax. Visit us online at www.shoppingitlocal.com.